तुम्हारे हिसाब से क्या लग रहा है, लाइक MBA इन द फ्यूचर 2 साल की जगह 1 साल हो जाएगी क्या, लाइक इन द नियर फ्यूचर? व्हाट इज द ट्रेंड दैट
ट्रेंड
यू
ये
गाइस आर
होगा,
सीइंग?
क्विक कॉमर्स जैसे आ रहा है ना, एमबीए 6 महीने 3 महीने में अभी फटाक हो जाएगा, जैसे अभी डिस्टेंट एमबीए भी आ गया है. लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो गिव्स यू दिस, लाइक देयर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एमबीए दैट हैव कम कि 6 महीने तुम घर से कर लो, 6 महीने यहाँ आ जाओ, संडे टू संडे वीकली वीकेंड्स पे आप यहाँ आ जाओ. एंड दिस इट एक्चुअली आई थिंक द ट्रेंड दैट इज गोइंग इज, यार एम बी एक्चुअली शुड बी एटलीस्ट अ ईयर मिनिमम, क्योंकि the number of courses that you're going to then take up really matters, right? अगर मैं IMA की बात करूँ, in 1 year we are taking more than 30 courses, right? वही आप crunch कर लो. I know ISB is trying and has done that in crunching it down and gives this almost same number of courses, if not like more. But then you need those 2 years, right? Because in IIMs, the good thing is you get the option to first intern, right? Which the 1 year thing is not giving. And internship is really important because it is like you testing a hypothesis that you might like this kind of an opportunity, right? You're going there, you're working there, and you're understanding if this is for me or no, rather than just taking a final offer. Number one. Number two, it's also an opportunity where you can get a job directly after your first year, and the second year maybe you can try your hand in something else and then be secure that okay, third year mein the job hai. Thirdly, very important, we go for like exchange. That is, you get to do your entire semester out of India in an other university altogether. And that is a good exposure, right? You learn so much more, you interact with so many people. So all these are like, MBA is there for your academics, but at the same time it's teaching you a lot of other stuff, right? So for me, I wish that it stays the 2 years because I think I learned a lot more. Having said that, 1 year MBAs are also working, but please say don't crunch it even more because you can't network or get to know people. And I want to give you the fact is like, आप देखे होंगे जितने भी IITians होते हैं जो 4 साल के रह के आए हैं लोगों के साथ, उनका नेटवर्किंग एंड अ पर्सन हु जस्ट लिव्ड इन द सेम कैंपस फॉर 1 year बहुत अलग होता है, राइट? हमारा वो एक सीनियर जूनियर वाला जो रिलेशन होता है, तुम्हारे प्रोफेसर्स के साथ जो रिलेशनशिप होता है, तुम्हारे सीनियर्स के साथ, वो एक बहुत ही अलग होता है व्हेन यू आर स्टेइंग फॉर with a batch above you, and when you're seeing a batch under you as well, you learn a lot more than what you would do in a year. That's what I feel.
Any
I
viewpoints?
think like what was common across all of our courses was कि it was residential, so that also makes like a
Yeah.
lot of difference versus तुम बस जा रहे हो करके वापस घर आ रहे हो. Because we've actually like all night staying in each other's room, doing case presentations, building like whatever business together in one of the terms, all of that. And you know that like I think with us we nurtured some very strong friendships, तो वो connections तो बाद में बनते हैं, you know, but like I think the foundation is a strong friendship. So I would say even in this 1 year we were able to do that. Yeah, I get it, like in 2 years maybe, you know, it's just like you're able to deepen it further. But in 1 year we got like ample time together. In this 1 year, in fact, I could do an internship. Did it with a VC fund, realized कि ठीक है अभी you know startup में ही जाना है, VC में नहीं जाना, all of that. Depends on how you manage your time, and ultimately even like you have to prioritize कि कितना academics को you want to give weightage in your like MBA journey versus networking versus career opportunities. So maybe it depends on that, but हाँ, I agree to you, it shouldn't be lesser than 1 year. Yeah.
I think INSEAD came up with this original MBA of 1 year, no? Like INSEAD is like one of the top global B schools. तो उन्होंने start किया था this entire trend of 1 year MBAs. And then ISB also thought, when ISB I think 2001 में जब उन्होंने शुरू किया था, so they were like कि INSEAD जैसे 1 year MBA launch करते हैं, and 1 year maybe like we'll give them like the maximum exposure possible.
I think it's also a factor of the work ex. हमारा वर्क एक्स, एवरेज वर्क एक्स बहुत हाई होता है IIM से. सो वो एक डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर होता है कि फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट बिजनेस और हाउ कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड वर्क्स, वो चीज़ें शायद नहीं सिखानी पड़ती है, एंड देन बाकी चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा फोकस चले जाता है. सो आई थिंक द डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर ऑफ अ 1 year versus 2 year MBA is more which is your work ex. And now ISB is also moving towards 2 year MBA for people with less amount of work ex.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.